countryside, there was a happy farm where animals of all shapes and sizes lived in harmony. Sheep. Now, repeat after me. Sheep. Cow. Now, repeat after me. Cow. Chickens. Now, repeat after me. Chickens. Ducks. Now, repeat after me. Ducks. Dog. Now, repeat after me. Dog. Birds.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, lived a group of whimsical creatures who embarked on a delightful adventure. This enchanting forest was known as the Evergreen Haven, a place where laughter echoed among the tall trees, and the air was filled with the sweet fragrance of wildflowers.
At the heart of the Evergreen Haven was a wise old tree named Grand Oak. Grand Oak was not just a tree, it was a storyteller, a keeper of ancient tales. Every day, the young animals of the forest gathered around Grand Oak to hear tales of bravery, friendship, and the wonders that lay beyond the towering branches.
One sunny morning, a group of curious friends decided it was time for an adventure of their own. There was Oliver the Owl, who was known for his keen eyesight, Lila the Rabbit, the fastest hopper in the forest, and Benny the Bear, whose cuddly appearance hid a heart full of courage.
As they journeyed deeper into the forest, they encountered mischievous squirrels playing tag, a family of deer grazing peacefully, and even a friendly butterfly who guided them along the way.
Finally, after crossing babbling brooks and climbing moss-covered rocks, they arrived at the enchanted clearing. The air shimmered with a touch of magic, and the friends couldn't help but gasp at the beauty that surrounded them.
In the clearing, flowers of every color swayed to the forest's melody, and a gentle breeze carried the laughter of fairies playing hide and seek. The friends joined in the dance, their hearts filled with joy.
As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the clearing, Oliver, Lila, and Benny realized that the true magic was just in